Okay, Toad, we had a new spot right here. We had a new spot. We're still at Lake Ray. We still at Lake Ray. You know, we on the other side. We on the other side where we was fishing at. I don't know if you could see it, but where that I'm gonna zoom in. Down that way. Down that way is where we was fishing, where them rails was. So we just on the other side of Lake Ray. You know what I'm saying? It's located near Bass Pro. But anyway, we're gonna give it a try. I don't know. It looked like it could be a snaggy area, but we're gonna give it a try. It say over by them in between them trees right there, it's a nice little 10 to 14 foot drop. So, and that's where them buoys at. Them buoys is over there. And it's a little bit before them buoys. So we're gonna give it a shot. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll see what we do. Already. Peace. I think we got something on the white one too. Let's go get it. We fishing this one off the bottom. Had a little hit. It might have been a turtle though. It might have been a turtle. The other two we fishing on the bottom. We done got a hit off the orange rod already, a real strong hit. So he probably took my bait. I'm gonna check it in a minute. That's what's going on right now too. We getting some hits. We gonna catch something already. Key on that. To be a little bloody, but I think he'll live. Let's see. Okay, Toad, we're gonna go ahead and move to the problem. Ain't nothing, got a couple little hits, but I don't know. We're gonna go to around the corner, just around the corner. We'll go to one of our main spots, prime location. Already, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Ain't nothing up in there. All right. Told y'all the prime location. Prime location never fail. Go ahead and keep this when my wife and want some, and if I don't catch enough of them, I'll throw them back later. No, he hitting it though. He hitting it, but let's see what he do. He hitting up on it. That light action ride, getting all the action. Feel good pulling them in too. They feel big. But yeah, we gonna see. Stay tuned. Don't let big old CARP too. It's a big old CARP. Big old CARP. CARP. I got some over there too. this point too, I'm just thinking of a master plan. I don't know what to do, but I think I got something up my sleeve. I seen another YouTuber do this, you know what I'm saying? It's like a cow here, you know. But my knot wasn't that good, you know what I'm saying? So I couldn't tighten up that good, but I'm gonna give it a try. Give it a try. I'm not gonna tell you the whole thing right now. Listen, it's gonna tell you. Might have to break off too. We might have to break off. Real strong. Real strong. I don't know if I can get my net down there. We're gonna try. Okay, Tube, I got this technique that I'm gonna try out. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. You almost had him up. It's all good.